Welcome back, Generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. Good, we are still developing unassemblize tool to aid our Thyme development efforts. And we want to, what do we want to do? Right, last video we added a bunch of headers to the different sections in the comparison window here. And the idea was to change the color of that thing. If we can figure out how to do it. I think it's also using these here, header, hovered, active, and so on. Yeah, so so we are probably looking at this thing here and just dropping in some nice new colors. So let's say here we have this, and then we take this guy, style color. Okay, where did we add those? Scoped style color. Scope style color. Yeah. We probably want to remove the copy constructor here. I don't know if we want to delete the move constructor. Maybe. How about we create a util no copy dot h. Pragma once, struct no copy, no move. And then delete. Let's see. Misk. Okay, I think that's it. We can probably also have just no copy. Oh. Okay, and then we put that here into Misk. No copy, no move. Includes no copy. Util, no copy. Do we need to put a default of this? Maybe. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I think that makes it a bit easier. Maybe we can do the same here, where we have include util no copy, and then no copy, no move. Then we remove this stuff here. I think that's good. Okay. Oops, I did not mean to start. Okay, so let's go to mgui app. Good. So we want to change the style here. Push style color. So we took some notes here. RGB color, RGB float color, RGB color wheel. Okay, so we're probably looking at something like an orange, something like this here. Maybe more saturated. So this is hexadecimal, so I can do like this. Okay, so we are looking at let's go to let's go to files. There we go. This one. Okay, so how do we do it? If okay, I think for starters, we just experiment with the colors themselves. So well, we need to have a new function. So this guy, what does it take? GUI X. Oof, there's a lot of variants of it. Oof. Can we do it generically? Style color. Okay, so yeah. So I do wonder, can we create a function? So let's say voids tree or header tree node header style color. Then we pass this guy. Then here at the bottom, put this. And then we put here this, and we put the colors. Poof. There were somewhere functions or macros to build these im colors, no? I can't recall. Oof. Here. Imcol, here. This one. So can we do imcol and put this number here? Like so. Yeah. And then we can make the static, by the way. Static. On that note, we can probably make a bunch more functions static here. Like this one is also not accessing any members now. Yeah. I wonder if there are actually more of these. Like what happens if we make this one static? Ah, that one is, oh, okay. Okay, then let's get back to this guy here. So we put a, I would say we do bool files opened, nothing. Then we create a scope here. Then we put this here, files opened. Then we create a scoped push style color, style color, and then we call this function. And that's it. It's a bit complicated. Perhaps we should wrap it into another function. X. Yeah. Okay, but before we do refactoring, let's test this. Let's see if it works. Yeah, it works. Okay. Are we happy with this color? It seems a bit too brown, doesn't it? Can we... Complementary. We're looking for something very saturated, orangish. I mean, it doesn't look too bad. It's a bit dark here. I would say we just make the just make it a bit brighter here. Instead of 79, we go for 120 maybe. Let's see. Yeah. I think it's not bad. No. Maybe it can still be a bit brighter. Let's try 150. Yeah, I think that's good. I like it. Looks good to me. Okay. And yeah, so let's see how it looks if we have it on all the guys here. Oh, we don't have it in here yet. Yeah. Okay. Then let's close it. Okay. So header. Okay. So what I'm thinking is we need a std C++ variadic templates. Variadic functions templates with std forwards. Can we get an example here? Then we just copy paste. Variadic template forwards. Here. Type name args. Yeah. So I think we just take this guy as an example and we put it here and we call it tree node x header style. And we just forward our arguments. Tree node x header style. Well, maybe tree flags, tree node x, framed, tree push on open default open. Yeah, we make a framed. Not tree push. Okay. I would say we don't use a template. Instead, we use static void tree node header. Let's call it like this. Tree node header. and then okay, so what do we pass here? Label, const char label. Const char label and this here, flags, yeah, okay. Okay, so the objective is that we simply so we do this and okay, so style color, and we need a boolean, bool, tree node header. Let's do flags 0. Then flags, the flags. So we take these guys here and we pass them here, flags, and put them here. We remove this one though. Maybe we put, let's put here return, put label here, and then we put flags, new flags, or modified flags. Let's do const expr standards flags. Then we put this here. Then we put this here, and this should work. Yeah, tree node header. Then we go to here, and then we do tree node header, files, and we put default open, and then we can remove all this here. Okay, let's see if that works. Oh, it doesn't. Okay, let's fix these guys. There we go, 1, 2, and then we put the default open here. There we go. Okay, let's see how that looks. Okay, so we compare here. And yeah, okay. Makes it easier to see now these guys, these categories, and we can collapse them. Yeah, I think this looks nice. Okay, cool. Yeah. Then I wonder if we should do the same here. So instead of using like this, we also use the orange header here. Maybe. Maybe. Guess we can try and see how it looks. But here it's not it's not so unobvious here in this case. Yeah. Okay, let's see. But then we would have consistent styles. Yeah. Okay, but I like this. This looks pretty decent. No, maybe that color can be optimized more, but I don't know. For now, I think it looks fine. This this color looks a bit bad here on this button though. Maybe this should be better. By the way, how does this UI actually look like now with the bright style, which is somewhere here, isn't it? Style editor, colors, lights. Okay, that's not too bad. Yeah, looks okay. How does this look in this list? That looks okay as well. Yeah, looks okay. That's good. Okay, so we would like to try change this. Yeah, okay. Then let's remove this guy. Yeah. So tree node header, files list. Where is it? I think it's tree node X. Here, file tree. Default open. Huh. So this one actually does use the other variant with the format at the end. This one. Oof. Tree node X. So we probably look at this guy. This one. Yeah. So where's its function? imgui app. So we are looking at static tree node header, strid, flags, format. Okay. And so we can, yeah, let's start with this guy. XV. Oh, yeah. Tree node header. Let's remove this guy. All right. Then we move this here. stid flags. Then we basically put let's put this outside here. Call this tree node header. Tree node header flags. Let's put it as a member up here. There we go. Static framed. Okay. And then put that here. And then we put here flags. Do this. Then we do imgui tree node xv. And the rest is the same. And then we copy this guy and put it here. And I think that's it. Yeah. Good. Then we have our header. And then we go to tree node X here and we rename it is open. And we put here tree node header. Yeah. And then we remove this guy. And that's it. File tree. There we go. Begin tab. File tabs. Then maybe we can remove these guys here. Okay, let's see how that looks. Oh, it doesn't look good. Okay, what's the error? Calling pop ID too many times. Ah, okay. I see. So show file manager with tabs. Begin tab. Okay, so we no longer call tree pop here. Begin tab bar. Yeah. Okay. Oof. Okay, it looks different. Yeah, this one looks a bit tight, so maybe the additional space in here would not be too bad. So let's put back those spacing guys. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, it's not bad. It's like now easier to see like where the file names are, I guess. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe we do one less spacing. Also, maybe the buttons should have a larger width. Let's remove this guy. And let's go to our buttons. Where are they? Actions. Here, actions there. Button. It does has vec2. Vec2. So how about we do imvec2, and then we try something like, I don't know, 100, 0. Let's see how that looks. Yeah, maybe it's a bit too wide. Yeah. Maybe go with 80. 80. Maybe we make it a const expr as well. Static const expr im vec2 button size button im vec2. Somehow that doesn't work. We have to do equals imvec2. Oh, we have to sign it like that. Okay. Interesting. Well, maybe we should call it button size. Standard button size. Okay, let's see how that looks. Maybe we apply it to all here. Standard button size. Oops, it looks like it's a bit too small for the save config. Okay, but otherwise it's not bad. I do wonder, is there a way to say if the text is longer, then button size arc. Can we like ignore button So inside the button X, it probably calculates the label size here. Yeah, calc item size. Yeah. Size. to keep it simple. Poof. I'm a bit confused why. Like, it would have been nice to have like a flag here where you say my size arc is a min min size, but it can be longer if the text is larger, something like this. So yeah, it's a bit unfortunate. Otherwise, we would have to do this check ourselves, but then we need to calc size, and then yeah, it does it like twice. Which is not a big deal. It's just a button. Yeah, we certainly have more expensive things. Okay, so how is it calculating its style? Oof. What is this guy doing? Size. Default. Okay, so it's only applying these if the size X smaller. Get content region. Okay, so this makes it span across the whole space it has available. This one, when it's 0, it uses the defaults. I'm confused by this here because okay, it uses this here. Tell. Okay, so what we're looking at is, let's call this standard min button size, yeah. And then we say here static bool button and then we go to widgets. And we do label flags 0, yeah. Okay, and then we put it down here. Bool, and we have yada yada 0. Okay, all right, and then we say we take We copy this guy. Put it here. Down here we return imgui button X, and we do label, and we do label size and flags, and then we do imgui current window, and that style thingy, blah blah, get ID, and imgui calc text size, and then label size, this label. Label size. What is this here? Pos. Don't think we need that. What is this ID for? Don't need that either. What is the style for? Style is used. Okay, label size. Okay. Good. Okay, so how about we use this style. All right, and then we use that, and then we use size, and then with size we use so label times 2. So we have this label. Okay, so we say size here. So we say if this is smaller, no, if this is larger, then if this is larger than this dot x, then size equals imvec 0, 0. Yeah. Else size equals standard min button size. Okay, so this means we'll auto scale it. We'll make imgui auto scale it. Okay. Good. Is this fair? It's a little bit cumbersome, but I guess it's fine. Let's see. So we go to button here, And so instead of imgui button, we call our own button, and yeah, just like that. There we go. Button. Good, let's see how that looks. Yeah, seems to work now. So we always have a min button size. Otherwise, it can be larger if the text is longer. Okay, we also have some more buttons here. Let's search for all imgui buttons. Button. Okay, so here, button, button, and button. Okay. Any other? That's it. Just 6 buttons. Okay, that's simple enough. I wonder if the text separator. Separator text file list. I wonder if we should remove this guy. Maybe it's not necessary to have it. Maybe there should be just a bit of spacing. Imgui spacing. I mean, it looks kind of funny. Oh, got a bug here. Cannot load undefined file. Huh. Cannot load undefined file. Yeah. Huh. Aha. So on load all, we don't discriminate if can load. Hold on. Load async. Button loads, can load. Aha. Okay. So we need to check here if not can load, then continue. Okay. Yeah. Maybe we should have this separator here. File list. Yeah, puts more of a separation here between these guys. Yeah. Let's load all. Yeah. Yeah, I think it looks good. Like it's now more clean separation between these guys. Yeah, I like it. Looks good. Looks good. Okay, let's look at this here one more time. Compare. Yeah, this looks also good to me. We can collapse it all. Very tidy. Yeah, I think it looks cool. Let's see if the load all works now. Yeah. Yeah, good. Okay, that's also good. The load all button, what happens if we remove these two? Ah, okay, this works. Then the load all is grayed out. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I think that's cool. Okay, maybe we can look at the color of the compare button. It looks atrocious in ways. Compare. So we try to be fancy here and pick some interesting color, but it looks wild. So this is the hue. Hue is 08 we have picked. What about 09? What about that? Let's see. Makes it pink. I mean, okay, what about 06? Just guessing now at this point. 06 is probably some bluish tone. Yeah. Looks very similar to this here. Compare. Maybe we make it 05. Oof. Okay. Cyan. Yeah. Makes it stand out a bit more than the blue. Yeah. Okay. But overall, I'm happy with the look of it. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think it looks good. Okay. Then next step, we need to submit this stuff, clean up and submit. Okay, so we added this no copy thingy. Yeah. And we cleaned up this stuff here. No copy, no copy. Yeah. And here, I think we can make this a separate change. Yeah. Add no copy, no copy, no copy, no move helpers. Structs. Okay. All right, that's number one. And next, so we added the 3 node header flags, the standard min button size. Yeah. Then we made the static and added a bunch more functions. Yeah, but okay. And here we remove the spacing. Spacing, yeah. Okay. Okay, so this and this, and we removed this guy. We removed one of the spacings here. Button. I wonder if we should separate the button change and the other one. We can probably do that. Let's unstage. So just let's do the button change first. So this is for the button. This. We can also, we can skip this one. Okay, this and here these button changes. Ta-ta. And this one and 3. Ta-ta. Button, and here we have another button change. Yeah. Okay. So with these button changes, mainly this is set min button size and also fix assert, or fix wrong loads, or fix invalid loads on load all button press. Invalid loads on load all button press. Yeah. Okay. Set min button size, fix invalid loads, fix invalid load, invalid file loads on load all button press. Okay. Then let's stash the current change and see if it still compiles as is. Yeah. Then we do stash pop. And then we do the rest here. So tree node, blah, 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 tree node header, okay. And all this, yeah. Tree node expand, okay. And here we did files. What's going on here? Ah, it's here. Right. Yeah. Okay. That is all. Yeah, all part here. Okay. And tree node header. Style. Yeah. I think this looks good. Okay, so this is how do we call this? Add orange headers to files. Bundles and functions in files manager and comparison manager, or comparison window. Files manager, comparison. Yeah. Add orange headers to files, bundles, and functions in files manager and comparison window. Yeah. Maybe down here we can is open, put it here like this, is open. Okay. Because I'm tired of snake case. Snake case is absolutely horrendous. Good. Yeah, I think this looks good. Add orange headers to files, bundles, and functions in files manager and comparison window. Good. Commit this guy. Okay, cool. Then what's the time? Just 1 hour 20, but we got all work done that we wanted. I got all work done that I wanted to finish in the session. Maybe you wanted to get more done from me. But yeah, from my side, the session was concluded with the submission of this. So for next session, I think we can continue with implementation of what we had stashed here, which probably is now severely outdated here with draw functions. We continue with this stuff. This one we have covered. Yeah, so we will continue with this stuff here. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Anything else? Is this oh, it's internal. Oops. Style. Maybe we shouldn't expose. Maybe we shouldn't use this thing here. Get current window. Is this also internal? It's also internal. Oof. Maybe we shouldn't use so many internal things here. Style, frame padding. I guess it's fine for now. Okay, good. Yeah, I will take a break now. Then I wish you a great day or night. Until next time. Goodbye.